Today I'm going to explain you about how to give the approval for the Proforma invoice which is shared by the KAM uh, in the automation workflow. For example, I opened one deal for your reference. Once the KAM is prepared the Proforma invoice, what they have to do is they will send the Proforma invoice for the approval from our side. The approval process divided into two parts like stage 1 approval and stage 2 approval. Stage 1 approval, I will check and approve the process myself Vignesh, and the stage 2 approval will be done by Mr. Matthew or any responsible person instructed by our HO. Once the KM has prepared the Proforma invoice, what they have to do is they will save it as a PDF file, and then they click on this workflow. After that, they click on this. You can see PI approval workflow here. They click on start, and then again they click on continue. Here you can see upload option. Here they have to upload the Proforma invoice, uh, which is prepared by themselves for the approval. They will upload the Proforma invoice here and they will click on run, the blue button here. Once they click on run, the stage 1 approver will immediately get a notification. In this case, myself is the stage 1 approver. So once and the KAM is Mr. Fernando. Once Mr. Fernando prepare the Proforma invoice and upload the Proforma invoice here, and then he click on run, immediately I get a notification from in the automation part of the Bitrix. I will show you where we get a notification in Bitrix. Um, Go to the home page of the Bitrix, and then here you can see automation tab. In the automation tab, myself having 7 pending approval works I have to check and move forward. I have to click on, once they click on run button, immediately I get a notification here, and I click on this automation tab, and I can see the list of pending approvals from my side. For example, I will open first one. I click on this PI approval. It will open the workflow here. Here you can see the PDF file which is shared by Mr. Fernando. So I will preview you the Proforma invoice and check all the each and every details, whether it is right or there any changes are needed. So I will check all the details here. If all the details are right and if there is any no changes are needed, what I have to do is I will send a comment to Mr. Matthew that um, I have to mention Mr. Matthew and inform that the Proforma invoice is approved. Please check and kindly give your final approval. I will send a comment to Mr. Matthew. Then Mr. Matthew again check the Proforma invoice, and if all the details are right, then Mr. Master will approve it. I cannot only send the comment. I have to delegate the particular workflow to Mr. Matthew. For that, what I have to do is once I send this comment, I have to delegate this workflow to Mr. Matthew by clicking on this delegate tab, and then I have to click on Mr. Matthews ID. Once I click on this Mr. Matthews ID, the workflow automatically delegate to Mr. Matthews side, and Mr. Matthew will get a immediate notification, so that they can check the Proforma invoice, and if all the details are right, they will click on this approve tab, this green color tab. Then the Proforma invoice got approved, then Fernando can send it to the customer. But in other case, if there is any mistake on the stage 1, if I check if there is any mistake on the bank details, so what I have to do is I ask Mr. Fernando to revise the bank details. In that case, we cannot create a multiple workflows. So we normally discuss in the comment section only. So if there is any mistakes in the Proforma invoice, I mention Fernando, um, please revise the bank details to Sita delay. So I will send a comment to Mr. Fernando, and Mr. Fernando will check this comment and revise the Proforma invoice. And what he do is um, he will again send a comment in this part itself, like Vignesh, revised proforma copy attached, um, check and approve. Then I will get, and he will upload the revised copy in the comment section itself. This is the only way we can send the revised copy. We cannot create multiple workflows as I informed before. So he will upload the revised copy in this comment section and he'll send a comment to me. Then again I check the proforma invoice, and if all details are right, I will send the I will send a final comment to Mr. Matthew for the final approval, and I will delegate the workflow to Mr. Matthew. This is how it works. Once this green tab is clicked by Mr. Matthew, then the key account manager Mr. Fernando will get a immediate notification on the deal part like this. I will show you how it looks. Once the workflow is approved, the Mr. Fernando will get a notification that the workflow is completed and the PA approval is done. Then he can send the proforma invoice to the customer. This is how the workflow works. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.